Hello, my friends. I'm just preparing for pilgrimage to Santiago Compostela. So the day after tomorrow, I will leave the UK and go to France, and I will move to Spain from France. Anyway, I will going to move from France to Spain and started my pilgrimage from Zhejiang. So first of all, I like to show my backpacks. And as you see, probably I'm going to spend more than 1 month on the road. So I need a lot of things to prepare for. So, however, as you know, the heavy bag make me very tired on the road. So I needed to reduce the weight of my backpack. So I think it's kind of minimal for me. I did my best to reduce the weight. However, as you see, in this section, there are some electronic gadgets like a charger and battery bank and some adapters to connect and my keys. And that part is kind of bags. I need some sacks on my waist and coin purse and my case for my passport. And also I prepare for some big eco bag for just shopping in the town. And this section is my toiletry. I bring my water bottle and it has very special function. It purifies the water. So I bought this kind of special bottle from Amazon, and the sports towel and soap case and perfume and so on. And also I think I will carry my fork and knife and also some earplugs and a couple of masks, and then it's kind of cushion. So I need to take a break on the road, like 10 minutes per 2-hour walk. So I bring this kind of pad and it's sleeping bag, and I'm working on the pilgrimage during October, so I think it could be a little bit cold. And as you know, many albergues don't give us a kind of warm blanket or something, so I need to prepare a little bit thick and warm sleeping bag. And it is my sandal. This part is basically I will bring 2 sets of clothes. So I will put on 1 set during the day, and then when I get to the albergue, I will change my clothes and then wash the first set. So I need just a 2 set. And I don't like some poncho, so I prefer using umbrella. So I will bring my umbrella. And so it's October, so I think it could be a little bit cold. So I bring my padding jumper, and it is very warm. And also 2 short sleeves and 1 short pants and 1 long pants. And there's 2 sets of socks. That's it. I think it is kind of essential, and I don't think I can reduce more. However, so let's pack it up and let's see how heavy they are. And outside of the bag, there are some pants and shirts and other small bags. I will carry them. I will carry them and I will put on them. So I didn't put them into my backpack, so I just put them outside of my bag. And let's weight the backpack. The weight is just 4.85 kilogram. So probably if I fill my water bottle, it could be almost like 5 kilograms. So I think it's not that bad, even though I really wanted to reduce the weight. Yeah, but I'm very satisfied with this result. And it could be my weight of life. Okay, that's it.